like fishing, Mr. President? It's cold out here.
Sorry. Anything to get out of DC for a while. Mike, I'm selecting you for Secret Service Director. Congratulations.
I'll give it my best shot, sir.
Benning's on his way.
What is that? Are they bats?
The drones! The drones! Don't move! Don't move! I'm coming to you! They're coming at you, Mark! Get him in the water! Get him! Go! I got you. Going under. Dive deep.
There's been an assassination attempt on the president.
Mike Banning, you're being charged with the attempted murder of the President of the United States.
The president's top guardian angel has fallen.
Don't you see that I'm being set up?
You have a collect call from
Mike.
You're getting death threats.
There's somebody else behind us. It wasn't me. The president's not safe. They're going to try and finish the job. I'm not going to stop until I prove who did this.
How did you find me?
I want security for the president. How do you think, Dad? I need your help. We gotta get out of here.
I ain't going nowhere.
You can't hide from us, Banning.
Don't worry about finding me. I'll find you. Listen to me. We're gonna make a move. Now people are gonna fall. But not you.